This is gonna blow your mind. Ever heard of SNLP? SNLP stands for Sensory Neuro-Linguistic Programming and Psychology. It's like NLP's cooler, more effective cousin. Our unique approach dives deep into your subconscious mind using sensory and creative methods. Forget the old school stuff. SNLP is all about intensive mindset changes. Think of your mind with a capital M. That's where your beliefs and behaviors are downloaded. By tapping into your emotional and creative mind, we create lasting change. Imagine accessing your creative brain like when you were a kid. It's like turning on a switch for creativity and new ideas. Research shows that detailed memories of past experiences can boost creativity. Whether it's painting or playing a musical instrument, these activities can train your brain to be more creative. Our method uses cognitive predictive modeling to fine-tune your personal traits and intelligence. Plus, we integrate modern neuroscience, quantum physics, and more. Imagine the human mind as a vast, intricate garden. Traditional coaching and therapy methods were successful in tilling the soil, a slow, laborious process that yielded results over years. Our innovative SNLP coaching and modern coaching modalities are more akin to precision gardening. We utilize cutting-edge analogies, much like planting companion crops, to create fertile ground for positive mindset change and subconscious access. These new neuro-associative conditioning methods act as a targeted fertilizer, accelerating the growth of desired neural pathways. And the breakthroughs used in mind technologies, such as biofeedback and neurofeedback, are like powerful greenhouses, nurturing the seeds of change in a controlled and accelerated environment. As a result, what once took years of cultivation can now flourish in a matter of months. This is the transformative power of the new wave of executive and life coaching and therapy. A fusion of creativity, science, and cutting-edge technology that unlocks the full potential for growth and personal development. How do top performers make success look so easy, while the masses work to the point of exhaustion? The truth is that the exceptional elite don't have secret superpowers that the rest of us don't. What they do have is an internalized set of high-performance beliefs, habits, rituals, patterns, and decisions, and the drive and sense of certainty that leads to what the masses see as exceptional performance. The truth is that you can develop this mindset and these habits and rituals of success too. In this video, we're pulling the curtain back, revealing the new coaching and mental modeling secrets of the top characteristics of high achievers. So, if you're frustrated and fed up with your current status and results, and you're itching to become your own star or lead a team of rock stars, buckle up. We're going to continue this series for you. We trust you enjoyed today's Mindset Minute. If you did, sign up for our podcast and our social channels. And remember, to realize the highest level of success in you requires that you invest the best in you. The Architects of Excellence is a community for like-minded people, entrepreneurs, and those who desire the best that life has to offer. If that's you, you're in the right place, and we look forward to serving you, whether as an executive or life coach, mentor, business wellness consultant, or just a friend among friends. So smash that like button, subscribe, and see what's on tap here tomorrow. As you write the new story of your life with us today, dive into SNLP and unlock your full potential, because it's time you bring the very best in you out for the world to see.